Good morning, Archelectric. This week's topic, how safe is your attitude? Just went out and searched the internet, and here's some numbers. 90% of injuries are caused by unsafe acts, most of which are a result of simply carelessness, distraction, and complacency. Number two, 156 billion, the cost annually for non-fatal work-related injuries. That is absolutely huge. 5,200 fatalities on average per year due to workplace accidents. Common attitudes to avoid. Here we go. Carelessness. Carelessness are simply acts that are common cause of workplace accidents. One of the most preventable there is. Taking the time and the energy to do each task correctly and never take shortcuts. Complacency. Complacency results in having completed the task many times over without a problem and subsequently giving that task less than the full attention that it needs, no matter how many times the task is done. It's important to give it the full attention every time to be aware of the job hazards. Talk about those job hazards at the start of the shift. Distractions. Working while distracted is not only unsafe, but often leads to poor quality of work. They go hand in hand. Fatigue, tiredness. Are we getting enough sleep? It can cause complacency and carelessness and lower reaction times, possibly leading to an injury of yourself or others. Do your best to get rest. Strong emotions. Although sometimes impossible to avoid, strong emotions can cause recklessness and distraction that can impair your positive attitude toward work and safety. It is better to take the time to calm yourself down than to be unsafe. Recklessness, taking chances in the workplace when your safety or the safety of others is at stake, can be irresponsible and including dangerous. Be sure to know how to safely operate equipment and how to complete each task before you begin in the first place. Also be sure to ask questions before we're being reckless to prevent an injury in the first place. How to stay positive about safety in summary. Follow all the safety rules at all times. The rules are there for you and your colleagues to be safe. Take responsibility for your own safety. Report injuries to your supervisor immediately. Be serious about safety. Do not take shortcuts. Do the best you can. Not the fastest you can. Avoid completing tasks in a hurry. Putting safety truly first. Look out for the hazards. Be aware of your surroundings and those potential hazards. Use all necessary personal protective equipment. Listen and learn about the safety protocols. Get help if needed. Don't try to do everything on your own, especially when having help would make the task safer. Be a team-oriented person. That choice is up to you. Till next week, have a great week. Happy New Year. And please be safe and healthy.